guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a post on Facebook and how you can find it later. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You have to open the Facebook, and first of all you have to find something interesting. If you find it, you can click on the 3 points, and after that you click on save post. Now it is already saved, but if you want to categorize it, then you can make a new collection. For example, you click on new collection, you add a title, interesting pictures, for example. You choose who can see it, only me, and create. You can scroll down if you want, but if you need that picture right now, you have to go to the saved pictures. For that, you have to click on the menu at the bottom of the page. You click on it, and after that you click on saved, and here we go. Collections, interesting pictures, recipes for later. So yeah, you can find the saved picture here. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!